Have you noticed something? Two reels with the same video. One gets 200 views, another gets 200,000 views. What's the difference? It's not the camera. It's not luck. It's the hook text. Today, I'll show you how to use on-screen text and captions on Facebook Reels that force people to watch till the end. Let's start. Hey everyone, welcome back to PreyoPhonie, where we teach creators how to control the algorithm instead of guessing. After testing hundreds of viral reels, I can confidently say, text overlay is one of the strongest engagement triggers. So today I'll teach you the correct method. Step-by-step text overlay method. Step 1. Open Facebook app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in. Step 2. Open your profile. Tap the 3-line menu icon. Now tap on your profile name to open your profile page. Step 3. Open Reels section. Scroll down on your profile. Tap on Reels. Now you'll see all your uploaded reels. Step 4. Select your reel. Choose the reel where you want to add viral text. Tap on it. Step 5. Tap text option. Now tap text. This opens Facebook's built-in text editor. Before we begin, if you want Facebook growth hacks, viral content tricks, and creator monetization strategies, subscribe to PreyoPhonie and stay ahead of the competition. Now let's build your viral hook. Step 6. Write viral hook text. Now write an attention-grabbing line. Your goal is make viewers think, OMG, I need to see this till the end. How is this even possible? I must watch this fully. Examples of high-retention text hooks. Use hooks like, wait till the end, this is insane. Nobody talks about this Facebook trick. This changed everything in 10 seconds. Don't blink, you'll miss it. I tested this so you don't have to. You won't believe what happened next. These lines trigger curiosity. Why text hooks boost views? Facebook algorithm tracks. Watch time. Retention rate. Scroll stopping behavior. Strong text. Stop scrolling. Keeps viewers watching. Increases engagement. Who boosts distribution. Result? More reach. More views. More followers. Pro creator tips. Very important. For best results? Keep text short and bold. Put hook in first 2 seconds. Use high contrast colors. Avoid long sentences. Sync text with video action. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't write boring captions. Use too much text. Cover face with text. Put hook at the end. Now you know exactly how to. Use text overlay properly. Create viral hooks. Increase Reels retention. Boost Facebook views organically. Remember, good content attracts. Great hooks retain. If this tutorial helped you, like, share, subscribe to PreyoPhonie, because here, we don't post randomly. We post strategically. See you in the next powerful tech video.